Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we're gonna do this stitch, the 3D marshmallow stitch. This is the front of the work, if you like this stitch, and this is the back. So, well, you can do a pillow cover, you can do a sweater, you can do a hat. I'm sure you can find something to do with this stitch. Yeah. Okay, this stitch is very simple. 2 rows repeat, and this stitch works with multiples of 4 plus 2 more. So I have here multiples of 4, so I'm gonna chain 2 more, but I will suggest you work with this kind of crochet hook, not with this, unless this part here it's long enough to hold many loops. Yeah. And I'm working with the 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. Yeah. Okay, now I have 16 here, multiples of 4, and I'm gonna chain 2 more. We're gonna skip the first chain, and in the second chain from the hook we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do a single crochet, chain 3, skip the next 3 chains, 1 2 3, and in the 4th chain you're gonna do a single crochet, chain 3. If I move too fast, you have the option to slow down the speed of the video. Yeah. So again, we're going to skip the next 3 chains, 1 2 3, and in the 4th we're going to do the same, 1 single crochet, chain 3, and we're going to do like this until we finish this this row. Again, skip the next 3 chains, 1 2 3, and in the 4th single crochet, chain 3, and you should be left with 4 chains, 1 2 3. We're gonna skip, and in the 4th one, the last chain, we're gonna do a single crochet. Now we're gonna chain 1, turn your work. In the first stitch here we're gonna do a single crochet, chain 3, and now we're gonna place in each chain 3 spaces 5 double crochets. Yeah. So yarn over the hook, go into the first chain 3 space in there and place 5 double crochets. So I did 3, I have 2 more to go. So in each chain 3 space you're gonna do 5 double crochets. Yeah. So now we're gonna move to the next 3 chain space here, and you're gonna place in there 5 double crochets. It's a very easy stitch, only 2 rows repeat, but beyond this one, well, is gonna eat a lot of yarn, so you're gonna have to make sure that you have enough yarn to finish your project. So now we're gonna move to the next chain 3 space, and you're gonna put in there 5 double crochets. So 1 2 3 4 and 5th, and in the last chain 3 space, yarn over the hook, we're gonna do the same. We're gonna put in there 5 double crochets. Okay, and we have that single crochet here, so we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do a double crochet into that last stitch there, chain 1, turn your work, and in the first stitch here we're gonna do a single crochet, chain 3, yarn over the hook. And now let me explain to you that you will understand. We're gonna work with 2 sets of 5 double crochets, so in each double crochet we're gonna do front post double crochet without finishing the double crochet, the post. So you're gonna go into the first one from the cluster, and you're gonna do a front post, don't finish it, leave the loop there, move to the next double crochet, don't finish it, and like this. So the last one from the set of 5, and now you're gonna move to the next 5, yeah, next 5 double crochets in there, and you're gonna do a front post in double crochet in each one. That's why I said it's good to work with this kind of crochet hook that doesn't have, you know, a stopper or a handle, that you can fit all these loops on your hook. So the last one, so you should have 11 loops on your hook, yeah, 11 loops. Then yarn over and pull the yarn through all the loops, and then chain 3. So 1, 2 and 3, and where we did the last front post from the last cluster, right there, right here, you're gonna go in there and you're gonna do a single crochet, chain 3, yeah. So yarn over the hook, and now it's like this. You're gonna work on sets of 2, let's say sets of 2 clusters of 5 double crochet. So in all these 10 we're gonna do front post double crochet. So go to the first one and do a front post. Oh, sorry, I shouldn't finish them. So you move to the first one, gonna leave it like that, and next one. So after you finish all those 10 double crochets, you're gonna have 11 loops on. You move to the next cluster of 5 double crochets and you start to do front post double crochet in each of them. Yeah, well, you need to have, you know, to have space to you know, host all this. So the last one from the cluster, the 10th one, yeah, so you should have 11 loops, yeah. So, you know, yarn over and pull the yarn through all the loops, all 11, and then you're gonna chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, yarn over the hook, and in this chain 3 here we're gonna go on top of the chain 3 in here, and we're gonna do a double crochet. Okay, chain 1, turn your work. It's gonna look like this, you see already they're formed. So in the first stitch here where we did this double crochet, you're gonna go in there and you're gonna do a single crochet. Yeah. So now you're gonna chain 3, and you're gonna repeat the row with the double crochets in each chain 3 space. Yeah. So yarn over the hook. In this first 3 chain space, you're gonna place in there 5 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You should have 5 double crochet, and with a chain in here we're gonna be 6, yeah. So yarn over the hook, move to the next chain 3 space, and you're gonna do 5 double crochets in there. Oopsie. Yeah, when you have your small chain, but if I was to put too many, oh boy, it will take like forever. So 4 and 5, yarn over the hook, you move to the next chain 3 space and you do 5 double crochets in there. So 1, the third, 4th and 5th, yarn over the hook, and the last chain 3 space we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do 5 double crochets. Okay, yarn over the hook, and in this single crochet here, the last stitch, you're gonna do a double crochet. Now you're gonna chain 1, turn your work, and now you're gonna repeat the row this one that you have to work with sets of 2. So you're gonna do, you know, front post, but first in this stitch here you're gonna go in there and you're gonna do a single crochet, chain 3, and now yarn over the hook. In each 5 and the next 5 we're gonna do front post double crochet without finishing them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and move to the next set of 5. So this is going to be the 6, 7, 8, 9, and the 10th one. Yeah. So now yarn over and pull the yarn through all these loops, all of them, and now you're going to chain 3. And in this, the last, don't go into the next set of 5 in here. It's just right here, the stitch that you have to go and do a single crochet. Then you're going to chain 3. So now you're going to start again. I'm going to work with the next set of 2, 5 double crochets. So you have 10 in total to do. So you go to the first one and you do a front post double crochet without finishing that. Oopsie. And I want to get the next one. So this is the 5th. So if you look, you have 6 loops. Yeah. So yarn over the hook and move to the next set of 5 double crochets and do front post double crochet in all 5 without finishing the front post double crochet. Okay, and the 10th one. And now yarn over and pull the yarn through all the loops, chain 3. Yarn over the hook, and in the on top here the chain in there, you're gonna do a double crochet, chain 1, turn your work, and now you're gonna repeat the row with double crochet, 5 double crochet in each chain 3 space. So the first, you're gonna go here into the stitch right there and gonna do a single crochet, chain 3, yarn over the hook, and in this first chain 3 space you're gonna place in there 5 double crochets. So you're gonna do like this, on and on and on, just 2 rows repeat. It's very easy, but it's gonna eat a lot of yarn. And this one, so how many? 5. Yarn over the hook, move to the next 3 chain space in there and do 5 double crochet inside that space. And that's about it. And then you're gonna repeat the row with working in with those 5 double crochet two sets. Yeah. So you move to the next 3 chain space and put in there 5 double crochets. And the 5th one. And the last 3 chain space in there, you're gonna do 5 double crochets. Okay, one more, and in that one single crochet stitch at the end here, yarn over the hook, you're gonna go in there and you're gonna do a double crochet. Then you're gonna chain 1, gonna turn your work, and now you're gonna go into the first stitch here, right there, and you're gonna do a single crochet. You're gonna chain 3, and now you're gonna work with this 5 one set and the second 5 double crochet the set, and you're gonna do in each double crochet you're gonna do front post double crochet without finishing. And then you see this is the stitch that you have to go in after you finish all the how you say, the front post double crochet. You pull the yarn through all the 11 loops, you chain 3, and then you go right there into this one. This is the stitch, the last double crochet that you did the front post double crochet. In there you're gonna go and do a single crochet and so on. Yeah, well, this is it. This is the stitch. It's a very easy stitch. You can make a hat, I don't know, a pillow cover. So this is the stitch. So this is what we worked up until now. So yeah, well, if you like the back also, it's nice, it's no problem. But if you like to do this stitch, you find something interesting to apply this stitch, you know, just give it a try. Yeah, okay, well, thank you for watching. Have a good day.